Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a OnePlus 8 Pro with a cracked display and it's slowly dying right before our eyes. So David, let's get to it. So right here we're gonna evaluate the damage on this display. You can see that there's a crack on the corner and in the middle side of the OnePlus 8 Pro. So we're gonna try to replace it. First, we're gonna remove the back cover. This back cover is most probably be made up of glass. So David is here trying to slice through the adhesive. Agitate the adhesives with the liquid and then pry it slowly and it's off. You can see the wireless charging pad with golden copper plates. We're gonna remove the daughter board cover because this is where we can find the connector for the display. This is also a jam-packed, very dense part of the device. There's a lot of connectors and you can even see the SIM card tray at this part. There's a lot of connectors too for a daughter board. So there's two layers of this. You can see that the screen connector is connected to that daughter board. And if we turn it on, the display is lighting up, showing us what's inside the smartphone. And we can still test it at this stage. Cameras are okay. That's a good sign. So we're just gonna turn it off for now and see how we fare in removing the display. So the display is still stock. As you may see, it's very difficult to do so. We have sped up and skipped a lot of parts in this portion of the repair because of this very strong adhesives used by OnePlus 8 OnePlus and making this 8 Pro. You can see that the corner is now off, and due to the cracks you can just lift it up that way. And during this process we have added more cracks to this display, but fortunately we are gonna replace this. And this is a very rare scene. David is using box cutters to remove the adhesives and hopefully remove the broken screen of this chassis. So you can also see that there's some smaller shards of glass flinging out from the display. David is getting desperate now. It's really taking a lot of time. Also scraping off the remaining on top of the device. Just making sure we don't damage any components that are not needed to be touched. And at this last piece, we're just gonna use scissors to cut off the very nasty adhesive. We have cleaned it up, so we're gonna use our own liquid glue so we can attach our replacement display, which is kind of nice. Also, when we install this, we're just gonna align and make sure that the chassis is not bent. The housing is still lined up correctly, so we don't see any gaps on the side of the display. So we're almost done now. We're just gonna reinstall this daughter board and then connect everything, cover up the back portion of the smartphone, and we're done. So if you have any problem with your OnePlus 8 Pro, your Asus ROG phone, your latest iPhone, David can do something about your problem. He can replace anything like the display, the battery, the charging port, camera, camera glass, back glass. So regardless of the model, if it's not really that popular, David can find a way to source the parts for you and fix your smartphone here in Sydney CBD Repair Center. If you're outside of Sydney, you can send in your smartphone via mail-in. We receive it via mail. We do the repairs here in the shop, and then we send it back to you once we're done with the repair. Just like this one, this is gonna be a happy OnePlus 8 Pro customer once they receive it. And it looks brand new, except for the scratches on the sides. Nevertheless, very functional and useful device once again. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, guys. Click like and subscribe for more videos like this. And we hope to see you again next time. Cheers!
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time.